Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey. On this Dodge Journey we're going to go over what you need to do to be able to get your car out of park and into neutral when you need to move the vehicle, whether the battery or the power is not working, to be able to, say, get your vehicle towed to the shop or move it off the road. So the car is in park, and the way you get access to the release lever for this vehicle is you need to pop up your little center console cover here. So right down in here is a cover, and you'll just pop that cover off, and then there's a hole here, and you can put a small screwdriver or anything in there, and you'll feel a little plastic deal. It gives you some resistance, and then you'll be able to put your vehicle into neutral as you press down on that little cover. And then once you put it back into park, you would have to do it again and to release it, to put it into neutral, to be able to move your vehicle or get it towed. If the power is not working, to be able to push the brake in to undo it. So then you just put it back in park. Now when it's in neutral, you can just push it back up into park. You don't have to be holding the button down. But then once you've got your vehicle safely off the road or whatnot, you can put this cover back on and you'll be able to go. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.